Good morning, students. It's Miss Hess here with some big news for you. I put in for some special funding for electronic books, and I got it approved about 2 weeks ago, and I was just able to get those books loaded up this morning. I ordered several new series books, series such as Dogman, Amulet, Dork Diaries, Captain Underpants, Big Nate, Mighty Robot, Notebook of Doom, Junie B. Jones, Captain Awesome, Bad Kitty, You Choose, fantastic, you guys are crazy for those, and Mythomania. So I'm going to walk you through a reminder about how to access these electronic books, okay? So first of all, we go to macandvia.com, right? And you can see on my screen I've been there a bazillion times, so I don't even have to keep typing it, but it's macandvia.com, okay? And we know we start to type in our school name, Heiner. Once you get to Heiner, you can choose it and it autofills. Then log in. And you sign in with your Google account. And it will go boom right to my Macin account because I've been in so many times. So you know how we have the navigation windows over on the left. If you go straight to eBooks, you won't get this view of the new books. So I want to take you here from the home page. This is how you can look through the newest copies of eBooks that we have. So just go ahead and click on newest. Okay, and you can see now in our catalog we have 7,380 electronic books. So not only do we have these new books in the catalog, but Macin, that's our book publisher, has given us a lot of freebies during this time to help us with our reading. Right? They've donated a lot of titles, so there's just tons of ebooks now. But now we're looking at the page that shows the newest, right? So I'll show you. You can just kind of scroll down. So we have Captain Underpants, Big Nate. Okay, I'm just gonna scroll slowly. Okay, Captain Underpants. We're just gonna keep going. Oh, there's the first You Choose that we've come across. Oh, the first Amulet. Okay, more amulets. Super popular series. Ah, here comes Bad Kitty. Ah, love me some Bad Kitty. I am cat crazy. So once I get to this point, okay, that's the bottom of this page, just go ahead and click on Load More, and then you can continue scrolling all day long till you find something that you like. And remember, when you find something you like, say I want to get this one, Bad Kitty joins the team, I just go ahead and check out, and that will give me like nearly 7 days. It gives you 6 days and 12 hours or whatever. So you have about a week to read that book. Okay? So, and yes, I know you're wondering, can I check out more than one? Yes, but remember, please, we don't want to be greedy and tie up a lot of books. So I suggest maybe you look through and start with 2 or 3 and go ahead and read them, and remember to turn them in when you're done, right? Just go ahead and return, so that frees up more books for other people. Okay? Enjoy some of your favorite titles on ebook for free. You guys have a good week, and I will see you soon.